Hey guys, today's video is an informative one and I'm gonna show you how to do basic service of split systems at home. I'm servicing my Panasonic 7 kilowatt reverse cycle split system today. So let's get started. The first thing is to lift this front panel. These are the grooves on each side from where we can click it and lift this front panel up. It comes up very easily. After lifting the front panel, if we want, we can remove it from the main body by pressing these two clips inwards from each side. The next thing to do is lifting the swing flap with hand, and these are the two locks, one on each side, that needs to be detached to remove the swing flap from main body. But before that, these are the two locks that needs to be unclipped. Roughly 80% of aircon cleaning can be achieved by just cleaning the filters. So taking the filters out, very easy to take them out just like that. If we clean the filters every few months, our aircon will always give high performance, consumes less power and give us clean air. Now it's time to remove the whole plastic body. The body is attached with some screws. There are 3 screws, so I am removing the screw clips first. This is screw number 1, this is screw number 2 and screw number 3. I already removed the screw clips from the other screws before. This is how it looks like without the front panel. Time to remove the 4 screws now. 3 on the bottom of swing flap and 1 on the top of swing flap near to the center. Once the screw is removed, swing flap is easy to separate now. Just hold it from middle, pull it towards your body and here it goes. Plastic body becomes very loose without the screws. Now we can lift the plastic body upwards and there are some locks on the top. When we're lifting this body upward, the lock's gonna separate automatically and we can easily take this body out and put on the floor for cleaning. Now it's time to clean the air inlet grill. You can see different color shades in the grill. That's just because of dirt. I'm just taking an old toothbrush and some water in a jug. If you want, you can use some shampoo or some cleaning products from supermarket. Now it's cleaning time. Starting from left corner, slowly going towards right corner, rubbing the brush from top to bottom. Don't try to rub the brush from left to right because it will choke the pores of the grill. That will reduce the performance of the aircon. Also use the brush with very light force, don't put excessive pressure. Slowly and steady, dirt will come out from the coils with the brush cleaning, which can be seen from the dirty water. Now cleaning from the top. Now it's time to clean the plastic parts. I just take a cleaning cloth, put some spray on the cloth and just wipe the plastic nicely. Now cleaning the plastic wings of air outlet fan. Now I turn the aircon on from remote just to check the difference. It turns on so quickly and nice fresh air starts coming out. Feeling so cool just in few seconds. So the major cleaning is done now and now it's time to clean the outer body, the outer plastic shell. So just using a normal spray and a piece of cleaning cloth. Make sure you clean every corner nicely and don't miss out anything. Time to wash the outdoor unit now, and I'm just using a normal water hose You don't need a very high pressure water hose. And I'm just washing side of the condenser grill and the back of the condenser grill. That's all I need to wash. Avoid putting water on the electric circuits and on the fan. Moving on to wash the air filters now. I'm using the same water hose to wash the air filters. It's good to wash the air filters every few months, as the cleaner the air filters are, the better the aircon performs. So after washing them, I'm just letting them dry for some time. Finally, everything is nice and clean now, and it's time to put them back on. So let's do it. First of all, I'm gonna start assemble the main plastic body on the aircon. So just starting from the top and attaching the clips slowly and steady. Everything comes back to its position, and that's how it fits back. Easy and done. Putting the screws back on, and after putting the screws, don't forget to put the screw clips back on too. Time to attach the front panel back to the body, and that's done. Now I'm putting the swing flap back to its position. The outer corner locks needs to go in, and they are not identical. The left one is circular in shape while the right one is more like square. So make sure you're putting them at right place. So this is the left one and this is the right one. Right one is square in shape because it makes the flap to go up and down. It needs to go in here. Best way to attach the swing flap is that put the right lock first in its place and then hold the left side of the flap with your left hand, and from the center of the flap just give a little pull towards your body, put the left lock in its place and give a push from the center, and it's done. Now attaching the middle small two locks back to their position. They are very tiny, so make sure don't break them, just be careful. And that's all set and done. Let's do the last step. Put the air filters back to the place where they needs to be. Done with the first one, and that's the second one. Very easy to install. And finally, close the flap, push on the corners until you sound a click, and that's all done. So it's time to turn the aircon on. Flap is going up very nicely. Let the aircon running for a few minutes, probably like half an hour. Try switching the aircon to different modes and check whether everything works perfect. You can clearly feel the difference, how cool the air gonna be after the cleaning and how nice and fresh it will be. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.